Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. In my last video we have done the concept of HCF and how to find the HCF, and we have finished the first process or the first method to find the HCF, that is common factor method or the factorization method or the factor method. We have finished that one. Now second one. Okay, now second process or the second method is prime factorization. Prime factorization, or we can write prime factor method. Okay, this is very much famous process or the famous method to find the HCF. Okay, now we'll see how to find the HCF by using this method. Okay, now example 72 and 90. Okay, now first we'll find the prime factors of the 72. We'll divide 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 1 is carry over, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay, these are the factors or the prime factors of the 72. Okay, now we'll write prime factors of 72, or we can write PF 72. Okay, now 2 into 2 into 2, then 3 into 3. Okay, these are the prime factors of 72. Now similarly we'll do 90. 2 4s are 8, 1 is carry over, 2 5s are 10. Then we cannot use 2. Okay, don't be confused. Here is 4 and here is 5. 45 is a particular number, so use 3 or 5. So I'll use 3 because 3 is the least prime factor. 3 1s are 3, 1 is carry over, 3 5s are 15. Again by 3. 3 5s are 15, then 5 1s are 5. Okay, now these are the prime factor, or we can write PF short form, then PF 90. Okay, then 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, now prime factorization or the prime factor method. Okay, now we'll find the common prime factor. Common prime factors. Okay, 2. Okay, now this 3, 2 3, then again I'll forget this one, 3 and 5. Okay, 2 double 3 and 5. Now 3 also. Okay, now 2 is common and 3 is common, again 3 is common. Okay, again 3 is common. Little bit confusion. Okay, now 2 into 2 into 2, then 3 into 3. That means this 3 and this 3. Okay, now we'll write common prime factor 2 into 3 into 3. Then we'll multiply. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Common. Okay, common prime factor 2 into 3 into 3. Therefore HCF equals to, now we have to multiply. We have to multiply that common prime factor. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 18 is the HCF. So this is the second type or the second process or the second method to find the HCF. Okay, it's very simple. Just to list the prime factors of 72, prime factors of 90, then you have to list the common prime factor. Common means the numbers, if the numbers is here and here, it is common. Again 2 and 2, they are common. 2 is here and 2 is also here, common. 3 is here, 3 is common. 3 is here and 3 is also here, common. But 2, it is here but it is not here. That is 2 is not common. 2 is not common. Even 5 is not common. Here is 5, here is not 5. That's why we can take the number which is common. That means the number should be in the 2 factors. That is, it should be in 72, it should be in also 90. That number we can take as common prime factor and multiply that factors, will get the HCF. Okay, now third one. Okay, we'll move to next, that is third is common division method. Common division method. Example, we'll take 60 and 72. 60 and 72. Now 60 comma 72. Now okay, we'll just divide. 2 3 are 6, 0, 2 3 are 6, 1 is carry over, 2 6 are 12, again by 2, 2 1 are 2, 1 is carry over, 2 5 are 10, again, comma, 2 1 are 2, 1 is carry over, 2 8 are 16. Now, actually, 18 can be divided by 2, but 15 cannot be divided by 2. That's why we cannot divide by 2. The two numbers should be multiplied by the one number, or number which we take, that number must divide 15. If we take 2, 15, we cannot write like this, 2 9s are 10. This is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. That means the number which we take, that number must divide 15 and 18, or we can write the prime factors, prime number. Okay, that means 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18. These are the prime factor. These are the prime factor. We can only take the prime factor. Like, yes, of course, 5 is also a prime number, prime factor, but 6 is not the prime factor. 6 is not the prime numbers also. That's why we can stop here only. We have to take the numbers, we have to take the prime factor, prime numbers till the prime factor is not finished. Okay, that means if the prime factors is finished, we have to stop there. That means 2, 2 and 3, these are the prime number, prime factors. Now there is no other prime number by which we can divide these 5 and 6. Okay, of course we divide by 2 here, 2 5s are 2 3, again wrong, because 2 must divide 5. Actually 5 cannot be divided by 2, that's why we cannot take 2. Understood? So we'll drop this one. Okay, now in this questions, in this method, HCF is 2 into 2 into 3. That means 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 is the highest common factor. Okay, 2 prime number, prime factor, 2 prime number, prime factor, 3 is also prime number, prime factor, but after this we cannot take 2 because 5 cannot be divided. Okay, that's why if we take 5, again 6 cannot be divided. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. We cannot take 5. Okay, that's why 6 is a composite number, not the prime number. So we have to stop here. Okay, these factor or this prime factor only we can take and we can write and we can multiply it, like 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, now last time I have told you this 12 is the highest common factor, so it can divide 60 easily and 70 easily, like 12 5s are 60, 12 6 are 72. Okay, now common division method we have finished. Now last method after common division method is like division method, division method number 4. Okay, 36 and 60 example. Okay, in school there are the two most famous process or the method is prime factorization and the division methods. Others also we can take, but when we like take as a book, when we go to the book, the two methods are given most precious or the priority. That means prime factorization or the division method. Now division method, 36 and 60. Regarding these two numbers, 36 is the smallest, 60 is the biggest. First, division method, divide. Division method means divide. 36 60. Now 36 1s are 36, 36 2s are how much? 72. We cannot write 72. That means 36 1s are 36. Okay, now we have to subtract 4, then 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, now again after this, okay, now 24 is the remainder. First of all, this 36 is a divisor, 60 is dividend, 1 is quotient. Dividend, divisor and 1 is quotient. After subtracting this remainder becomes divisor, and again 36 becomes dividend. 36 becomes dividend. Okay, understood? It's very simple. After subtracting, you will get the remainder. This remainder becomes divisor. This is the process, divisor. And 36 becomes dividend. Again we have to divide. 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48. So we cannot write 48, 24 ones are 24. Now we have to subtract 6. 4 minus 6 minus 4 is 2, then 12. Okay, again this 12 is a remainder actually, but this 12 becomes divisor, and this 24 we have to write here. Okay, this 24 divisor becomes dividend. Divisor becomes dividend, then remainder becomes divisor. Okay, now 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. Okay, we have to follow this process till the remainder is 0. Now by the last divisor, 12 twos are 24, the remainder is 0. Okay, that means now our method is finished. Therefore HCF is 12, or we can say last divisor is HCF. Last divisor is HCF, or therefore HCF is 12. Okay, if the numbers are 3, numbers are 4, we have to follow the same process. So this much for today. We have discussed about the HCF in my last video also. Now the process also we have finished.